Yes, so because we're looking for the relative contribution from Bear Creek, we're actually sampling below the confluence, which was our first site, and then above the confluence, so that where he is right now, he's going to get those E. coli concentrations that are representative of the Platte before Bear Creek comes into it. So we want to have that understanding, just like we do with all of our sites, like what's happening in between those sampling sites. So this will tell us, is Bear Creek acting as a dilution force, or is it really impacting the E. coli concentrations farther downstream? And the South Platte River here, which is segment 14, also has what's called a total maximum daily load for E. coli. So that is a regulatory component where they need to reach a certain E. coli concentration in stream, and that's 126 colony forming units per 100 mils. You remember just 126, that will do you just fine. And most of the in-stream concentrations of E. coli in this segment of the South Platte are much higher than 126. So that's part of the reason that we're sampling in the South Platte right now, is just to see if, even though E. coli concentrations in Bear Creek are very high, does it act as a diluting factor in the South Platte? So this is the site that helps us determine that, in addition to the other one. All right, Steven, we're done. Fernando, if you brought an extra pair of shoes, awesome. Not be wary.
What's the temperature?
It's 5.46. How's that feel?
Feels like 5.2, I swear.
Well, the sun is out now, and it will continue to warm us and the water.
It will warm us. It's not really going to be anything for you.
Dear Steven.
You will be cold.
Alright,
Fernando, I'm going to have you on turkey and meter handoff, please.
your father's lightsaber. He wanted you to have it when you were old enough.